plateau. Doing or avoiding the same things over and over again, wanting to get past that, I guess, and didn't have the tools.
In terms of like social media, avoiding talking on camera. The only thing I was doing was just making workout videos. They were getting a bit much the same. So now I have more confidence talking on camera, and the editing is a much easier process as well.
Getting in front of the camera, not knowing what I don't know was big. Like, I don't know what tools are in front of me, what the end product could or should look like. Chose to avoid it. So yeah, it was a big one for me.
For me, it's more that there's so many gurus and people promising the answers on workshops, 1 hour calls, and I'll give you all the answers and sign up with me. So that hesitation to trust someone, but talking to you in person and also seeing your videos and things like that, it did build a good rapport. And so the minute I was through the front door, I was like very happy and felt very confident in what I would get out of this.
Because my wife was coming.
I just wanted to learn. It's more just building that confidence to get on camera, stage fright, and I managed to conquer that today.
I think more confidence in myself, more knowledge of the tools available and how to use them, just kind of got over the anxiety around it, so I'm ready to go.
Yeah, the anxiety about being on camera and believing that I have a message that people are willing to listen to, that was the biggest shift.
Your demonstrations of how to shoot.
Yeah, very much the demonstrations, the live demonstrations.
Selling me what I've come for. Really. I've come for the tools, and that's exactly what I got. It wasn't just this airy-fairy, we're going to make you better. It was exactly what I expected and exactly what I needed.
The expertise behind, so a lot of people are young and come from different industries promising social media guru plans, but actually coming with the tool and like leaving with tools and with new knowledge that I can actually implement and actually put out a reel today. So it's already working.
Massive go. Start, cross the start line and get going. A big difference from just kind of running around circles and avoiding stuff.
Honestly, the anxiety and how it would project onto him. So maybe a bit of marriage counselling.
Often in the shape of a fist. I'm okay.
Actually, like the anxiety and how it would project onto others. So Maddie would also like help me with everything, and now that we both know what to expect from each other, it's much smoother process now.
I reckon do it. Whatever value you've got on like, should I invest in this and should I invest in that? Something that's just gonna kickstart you and get you going is better than anything else. And I think, as I've said, this is kind of exactly what it gave me.
Yeah, definitely do it. You're your best advocate. You know what you want, and you can produce the best content. And content is the future. So why fight it? Just join it.